$35,000 for a native document scanner. This is absolutely insane. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a native document scanner that is AI enhanced for free using Lovable and Despia. So let's take a look at it right now. So for the web application part, we're going to use Lovable. But because we need native device features such as the ML document scanner, with ML standing for machine learning because it's AI enabled, we need to have access to the native device APIs and SDKs, and web applications can't access them. So we're building a web application here with Lovable. We're taking the link and then we're going into Despia, which converts this web application that we just put right inside of here into a native mobile application, and it even ships it to the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store in just one click. It's super simple. So I already did that, so let's set it up together. So first of all, to get access to the native document scanner, we only need to add a file uploader. So let's say add a file uploader with image preview. There you go. And now I'm going to send this to Lovable. It's super simple. So now it will add a file uploader with the image preview. And because we're adding an HTML file uploader, here's the magic that happens. Despia ultimately renders your native application using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and then also the native packages and the native bundles and the native features that are exposed in that environment. But it also enhances what's actually happening in the HTML, the web code base. So when it runs in the Despia runtime, it actually goes over all the native file uploaders, or not native yet, all the web file uploaders, the HTML ones, and it prevents their default and intercepts the, the web file uploader default that would happen normally in the web view with the native file uploader. So when you're opening the file uploader in Despia, it doesn't open the one that you would get in a PWA. It doesn't open the one you would get in a web app. It intercepts them and it falls back and uses the native one that is only available in real native applications. And part of that, what we add into it, is the ML document scanner, so the machine learning document scanner. So we just added that here. Let's publish this. The nice thing about this is we also have updates over the air. So you do a click of a button and your full application is updated immediately on the stores without waiting 10 days for app review to approve critical changes, because you want critical changes to be shipped immediately because they're critical, right? So now we have this all set up here. Let's open the application. There you go, I have it as a native application running on my phone. And now if I go on choose file, we're getting the native preview here, the native drawer for which file type we're trying to upload. So let's say we actually want to scan a document. Let's click on here. Now it opens the native document scanner. We can enable the flash, all the good stuff. We can make it grayscale. We can make it black and white, all the kind of stuff. And now it scans it. And as you can see, we have a native scan using machine learning, AI, and we got it right inside of here without having to pay $35,000 for it. And we're actually using the native behaviors. This is not the web default. So there's a lot of magic actually happening with Despia, where even certain HTML elements are being intercepted and turned into their native brothers and sisters. There you go. That's how you set it up. You have true native functionality for those things. You also have access to the native camera if you only need the camera and not the document scanner and all that good stuff. It's super simple, and this is how you add true native document upload functionalities without having to touch any native code right from Lovable. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.